I'm going to test out the Grillion electric grill brush cleaner to see if I can get these nasty ass grates looking good. This is my judge. This is what they end up looking like when you typically cook hot and fast and then leave the grill for a while and don't touch it. This Grillion electric grill, let me show you the box here. It includes the carrying case, manual, water tank, and 2 brushes. These are the specs. It's easily chargeable with the USB-C cable. Doesn't take too long at all. Holds 50 minutes charging time. Has 2 speeds, high and low. Like I said, comes with this interswappable wire brush and then the mesh one there. So let me grab my regular brush. Just give it a couple swipes. And it's making it turn more orange. All right. Now, let's see what the Grillion will do. This is high. This is low. I'm gonna try it on high first to see how easy it is. You're not supposed to push. It really wants to go. You can feel that. And look at that. It's really bringing up the rust. That's crazy. All right. It's like a power mower. It wants to just push forward. It's cool. All right. Seems to be knocking more of this rust off because I could see it flying away here, getting some wind and some rain coming in again. Now I'm gonna change this out for the wire mesh. I want to see what that one's all about. Swap this out, take that off, pop off the side, and then out comes this. Whoop. And that's what it looks like. And the mesh, go ahead and put that on. That easy. Whoops. I did forget the baffle. Keeps all the gunk from flying at you. Okay. Get that on there like so. A little twisty here to quick. Not seeing much going on with this. I mean, I did already use the wire brush and got all the top stuff off. Let me see what it does if I turn the water on. So I'm just going to be re-seasoning these grates. So I'm just going to get them as smoothed down as I can. I'm going to get some hot coals going under there. Then I'm going to season these things up with some avocado oil. Several coats until they're good to go. Honest opinion on this thing, guys. It's well built. It's heavy duty. You saw what it did. All the dust, the rust was flying up off of it. There's nothing left for me to do too much now. But I've shown you the features of it. You get the wire brush, the mesh, and you can throw hot water in there and just help clean your grates off. It's just very easy. That's what's good about it, and it does work. And these brushes and the metal are dishwasher safe. They're washable, all that. Soap and water in your kitchen. These grates to me, they're looking pretty good. I think I got them up as clean as I can get them. Now it's just time for them to take on the hot oil. All right, I feel compelled to do this on a couple more of my grills since I got it out and I know they're dirty. So let's see what I'll do on another grill. This is my 4-burner gasser. It's definitely coming up. Nice. I got one more grill to test. Sweet. Looks good. Much better. All right, let's see what it can do against my Santa Maria for the Smoky Joe. Make stuff go a-flying. Yeah, that's good. I like this thing. I like gadgets. That's why I'm interested in it. This too is remaining hamburgers. I do eat them a lot. All right, guys. Well, this thing works as advertised. I'm pleased. The Grillion. All right. Appreciate you guys watching, man. Any questions about this thing, just put them in the comments. I'll get to you later.